you have, it looks like you have really good sponsors. It looks like you have a very good family. It looks like you have an amazing girlfriend. It looks like you have a successful, fun gym. You're extremely good looking. I wonder if this mitigates, you have a good life, right? And like some people
Yeah,
might be like, well, inside I'm really hurting, or but you're not. Like we're really seeing Zach George is like, you're enjoying your time on planet Earth.
yeah, 100%. I'm very much kind of open. I say how I feel.
Yeah, you're crazy open. You're
Yeah,
crazy open. Other people think that they're open. You're crazy open.
yeah. I hope that's a good thing. But I
Yeah,
think
it's
that,
like it's an amazing thing. It sets you free.
yeah, I think
You
that's what
glide because of it.
I think that's why a lot of people have really enjoyed my story and enjoyed supporting me over the years, is because I am what you see. So I'm exactly the same to anyone. You could be a celebrity, you could be someone I've met for the first time. I'm just exactly the same to anyone I speak to. So I think that really came out in 2018. So at the regionals, I basically went to the regionals just wanting to have an awesome time. And it was a bad strategy as an athlete wanting to place well,
Huh?
but I wouldn't change it for the world, because I just had the best time with all my family and my friends. That's when I did the floss on the floor.
Uh-huh.
Um, the floss dance. So I just did that after every event, and that just went viral, and people just caught on it and loved it.